Hi, I'm Megan, a Partner Success Consultant at Receipt Bank's Washington, D.C. office. I'll be introducing you to some of Receipt Bank's most effective tools for streamlining your bookkeeping workflow. We'll be covering where you can find the supplier rules, Smart Split, and auto-publishing features, and how you can use these to automate your review process and completely control how Receipt Bank handles your data. When you're reviewing documentation, you may notice patterns or repeat behaviors for certain suppliers. Plane tickets might always be categorized as paid travel expenses, utility bills may always fall into the same category code and tax rate, or a particular vendor may only be used for a specific big construction project. Supplier rules are an easy way to automate these predictable behaviors. Setting up a supplier rule will instruct Receipt Bank to apply your specifications for all documents submitted from this supplier. The simplest way to access these time-saving tools is from the item detail page when you're reviewing your extracted cost and sales data. Click the green Set Supplier Rules to see all the different fields that you can set rules for. If you know that item for this supplier will always fall into the same category, or are always part of the same project, or they always have the same tax rate, then you can select it from the drop-down menu. Going forward, every item from the supplier will be automatically categorized according to these specifications. You can set a rule for any section of your chart of accounts. You can also use the Smart Split feature to establish rules on how you would like the total value of a supplier's items to be divided, so that different lines of a document can be categorized, taxed, or described differently. Click Add a Smart Split rule and choose whether to divide an item according to a fixed amount, or a percentage of the total cost. You can then add details on exactly how you'd like data to appear after it has been processed by Receipt Bank. Once you're comfortable that your supplier rules accurately describe your interactions with a specific supplier, you can activate Auto Publish. Now, as long as you're integrated with an accounting platform, Receipt Bank will automatically publish documents from this supplier once the data has been extracted. If you ever need to review or edit the supplier rules, Smart Split, or auto-publishing settings, select the suppliers list from the sidebar menu. This gives you an overview of the rules you've put in place for each supplier, but click the supplier's name to edit all the rules applied to it. These three tools are powerful components in reducing data entry for routine, predictable suppliers. Applying supplier rules, Smart Split, and auto-publish is your first step to automation, allowing to spend more time on documents from new suppliers and other work that needs your attention.